Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I am going to tell you how to use AI to generate SEO meta description. So let's get started with the video. So basically here I have written the sample prompt over here that to write a SEO friendly meta description, you can just write how much characters you want here. You can enter the title, a short summary, and this both two prompts, these are basically optional. If you want any target keyword, you should mention it. The tone, you want it friendly, professional, informal, you can mention it here. So post that, what you need to do, you need to go to the AI. We are using ChatGPT and paste the prompt here. Here I have mentioned the title. You can edit it according to yourself. Summary, target keyword, tone. And also I have given some extra descriptive that make sure the descriptive include the target keyword naturally, encourages user to click, accurately reflect the page content, and stays under 160 character. These are the important page which I want in my description. Post that, just give the prompt to ChatGPT. So as you can see, it has started generating it. So this is how you can write a SEO description. You can generate meta description using ChatGPT. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.